Hello, my name is Alexandra and today we are going to learn new letters. Letter A, sound A, A, ape. Letter A, sound A, ape. The ape is big and smart. The ape is big and smart. Let's say together one more time. The ape is big and smart. Very good. Let's learn some words that have sound A in it. So we have ape, ape, gate, gate, same, same, safe, safe, rake, rake, ape. One more time. Let's say a little bit faster. Are you ready? Let's do it. Ape, gate, same, safe, rake, and ape comes again. Very good job. Are you ready to read? Today we are going to read new words. Do you remember letter M, monkey? So, we have M, and look, letter A, but sound A. And we have the word may, may, may. And look, A, aim, aim, A, may, aim, aim. Good job. So today we learned letter A, sound A, ape. Ape is big and smart. Come next time to learn more letters with me.